Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll. Oops, something went wrong. This error is usually caused by a connection problem. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then reopen Crunchyroll and check again. Next, fully close Crunchyroll on mobile, swipe the app away. On PC, close the browser completely. Now reopen the Crunchyroll and see if the error is gone. Restarting fix many glitches. Turn your phone, tablet or computer off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll again and try loading a video. After that, go to App Store and make sure the app is fully updated. If you are using a browser, update it too. Older version can cause the error. If you are using VPN proxy or ad blocker, turn it off. This can interfere with Crunchyroll and cause the oops something went wrong message. After disabling them, try reload Crunchyroll. If nothing works, uninstall Crunchyroll, restart your device, then reinstall the app from the App Store. This fixed the problem for most users. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.